Hi there, students. Overt and covert, or covert. Let's see, I'm going to look at the pronunciation for a second. As in a covert as an adjective meaning hidden or secret, I think I would normally say covert, but some people say covert. Yeah, and you might hear me do that in the video. But also we have a noun for covert, meaning a group of trees where animals to be hunted may hide, or a piece of undergrowth. And that, for me, definitely, I would call that a covert, not a covert. Yeah? Okay, so let's see. Overt, open, not hidden. Done publicly in an obvious way and not secret. So, yeah, he shows no overt signs of having been through a difficult experience. There are no obvious outside signs. Yeah, in some areas we can see overt racism. It's done something in public in an obvious way. Some people get rather upset by overt criticism, open, without being hidden. Yeah. So try not to do this too overtly, because people may be upset about it. Don't be too open about it. Yeah. So overt, done or shown in public. And then covert or covert is something that's hidden or secret. I think I would also like to pass by the words clandestine and surreptitious at the same time as I do this. To me, covert is something that's hidden, particularly for spies and things like that. Done in a way that it is concealed and hidden. Yeah, you don't want anybody to know about it. You don't do this openly. So I think covert racism or covert racism is much more common than overt racism. People think it, but they don't do it in public. They don't show it in public. But for me, a covert military operation. This is talking about spies. Yeah, the government undertook a covert operation in the neighbouring country. So if the operation was discovered, the government would not accept responsibility for it. Yeah, or covert funding for opposition political parties. Yeah, so covert, concealed or secret. He definitely feels covert jealousy. Now, let's just look at surreptitious and clandestine. I think surreptitious, when you are surreptitious, you try to avoid being seen. Yeah, done in a way that you're very stealthy so that somebody doesn't see you. And I think you could say surreptitious. He did it overtly, he did it surreptitiously so that nobody would notice. And then clandestine, again, this is covert, meaning something done in secret, yeah, kept in secret, often to hide the fact that it's something illegal or something immoral. So, covert, concealed, and I think covert is probably a more general word, yeah, to do something without anybody noticing, and I think it covers both surreptitious and clandestine. And then overt, openly. Yeah, overt hostility. Yeah, there were clear signs that he was very angry and hostile to what I was saying. Okay, an act of overt aggression done openly. Yeah, when somebody's passive aggressive, this is covert aggression. Okay, so covert, not openly acknowledged, not openly displayed, furtive, clandestine, surreptitious, stealthy, and secret. And then notice a covert as a noun, a group of trees where animals to be hunted can hide. Also, for those of you who like these words for groups of animals, you can have a covert of coots. A coot is a black water bird, and a group of them, a flock of coots or a covert of coots. Just a little aside. Okay, so overt, something done or an attitude that is done in the open, in an obvious way, yeah, that you can, everybody can see it, yeah, whereas covert, so that nobody actually knows that it's happening. So overt, open, obvious, plain, public, done in public, yeah. We could have okay, overt prejudice, open prejudice, or covert prejudice, overt discrimination, something that's clearly obvious for everyone to see. And then if something's covert, it's hidden away, so you can't see it. I think particular covert operation, or maybe, yeah, covert jealousy or a covert mission, covert surveillance. They use this word particularly for spying and things like that. Okay, so formality. Overt and covert. I would give these a 6.5 in formality. They're slightly formal. I think overt, in an informal conversation, you could just about use it, but I would say open, obvious for everyone to see. And covert in an informal conversation, maybe just, but I would say hidden, secret, something like that. So I would suggest using these in semi-formal conversations, semi-formal or formal writings. Okay, as to origin, well, these two words are related to open and covered. Yeah, if something is covered, you can't see what's inside. And that's the idea of covert. It actually comes from French, couvrir, to cover. Yeah, from the Latin, cooperatus, with the idea of to cover. Yeah, to cover over. And then overt, as in open, again comes from French, ouvert, open, which itself comes from Latin, aperio, to open or to uncover, which comes from Proto-Indo-European, huepo, meaning away or from. So, overt, open so everybody can see it. Covert, hidden away, secret, and you don't want anybody to know about it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Overt and covert, or covert, and surreptitious and clandestine as well.